Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few moments to discuss with you how I am going to average your grades this semester. I've already averaged your grades. I already know what grade you will receive. However, I cannot discuss grades with you online, through email. I can only discuss them in person because it's illegal for us to give you grades or to discuss grades uh, in any electronic form. So what I've done for you on Blackboard, I've put a grade folder here for you. And in the grade folder, you have a blank grade sheet, and you have a sample grade sheet. And I'm going to go over this, and I'm going to go over this to show you how you can average your grades on your own so that you know exactly what grade you're going to receive in this class. So I'm going to open up the sample grade sheet. It's already open. It's already on my computer. I'm going to switch to it. So your grade sheet looks like this. You have 4 objectives for this course. Each objective is worth a certain percentage, okay? So what we have to do is convert all of your grades to percentages. And this is what I want to show you. So starting with objective 1, the research process and the research paper. This was the big project we did this semester. We spent most of the semester on this assignment. So for the general outline, I have your grades here. Whatever grade that you made on the general outline, the documented outline, or the final paper, the final MLA research paper, put the grade here and multiply that grade by, in this case, 0.10%, right? It'll be 0.10. Don't multiply it by 10. Multiply it by point. Make sure you put that decimal point there. And this is going to be easy. I'm sorry, I'm stuttering. 91 times 0.10, all you have to do is move a decimal point. So it's just 9.1, okay? 91 times 0.10, just move a decimal point, it's just 9.1. Let's say you made a 91 on the final research paper. You're going to multiply that by 0.20, okay, by 0.20, and that's going to equal up to be 18.2. Keep your decimals in here. 9.1 plus 9.1 plus 18.2 equals 36.4. Get your total, put your total here, and then at the bottom of the page, your final averages, you can put that average here, 36.4. One of the things I want you to pay careful attention to is what's highlighted. Remember, this was a major assignment. These 3 assignments were worth 100 points. If you did not submit one of these, if you decided that you didn't want to do the general outline, that results in failing the class. It doesn't matter what your average is. I explained that to you in the first video for the semester. You must submit all of your major assignments. If you fail to submit a major assignment, you automatically fail the class, okay? So pay very careful attention to what is highlighted here for you in yellow. Look at objective 2. I want to talk about objective 2 and objective 4 together. We started this class late. We had I was locked out of the class at the beginning of the semester, so I did not have the chance to give you a formal final examination for objective 4. So what I did is I took your literary analysis, which was the final paper that you did, and I counted it twice, okay? So whatever grade you made on the literary analysis, let's say you made a 91, multiply that by 0.20, that gives you 18.2. The literary analysis is worth 20%. The final examination is worth 20%. So it's going to be 18.2, okay? And again, you would just put those averages down here at the bottom, 18.2 for objective 2, 18.2 for objective 4, the final examination. Objective 3, this covers all of your quizzes, all of your assignments that you've done this semester. Everything is listed here. SLQZ, that's the syllabus quiz, diagnostic writing assignment, GWA, GAT, grammar assessment test. So listen to me carefully. Just to make this easy, don't worry about trying to put the grades or match the grades. It will probably just be easier for you to look at all the grades you got for your assignments, for your quizzes, except for the grammar assessment test. All of your assignments were worth 10 points. 10 points or less. The introduction that you did was worth 5 points. What I did, you did 5 video summaries for me, and instead of listing those video summaries separately, I just put them all together. That's where the 50 comes from. Okay, you did 5 video summaries. I just put them all together. They were worth 10 points each. That's where the 50 comes from. Add these things up. Here is where I built in extra credit. Okay. So usually an objective is worth 100 points. You got extra credit for this objective, so you should have over 100 points if you did all of them. The max number was 180. If you divide that, or multiply 180 by 0.20, that gives you 36. So you got 16 extra points here on this objective. 16 extra points here on this objective. So if this objective is over 20 points, don't worry about it. You got extra points. If you get over 100 points here, that's fine. You got extra credit. Okay, extra credit was built into the course. 180, multiply that by 0.20, it's 36. Again, put your grade here at the bottom. You have all of your objective averages out of 40%, 20%, 20%, 20%. All you have to do now is add 36.4 plus 18.2 plus 36 plus 18.2. That equals 108.8. You got over 100 points because of the extra credit and also because you made an A on everything. So this is easy. You know your final grade in the class. Your final grade is an A. A warning to you though. Please don't forget, if you did not do a major assignment, if you did not turn in the general outline or the documented outline, MLA, doesn't matter what your average is, you failed the class because you had to turn in all of your major assignments. If you did not turn in the literary analysis, then you know you failed the class, right? You must submit that literary analysis. And because I counted the literary analysis twice, because again, I got into this class 3 weeks late and put us behind, did not have time to give you a full final. So that's 2 zeros that you got for the objectives, okay? Watch this video as many times as you need to in order to understand. There is a blank grade sheet, which is here. All you have to do, fill in your grades, put your grades here, do the multiplication, make sure you do the multiplication correctly, and you will know what grade you're going to receive in this class this semester. It was a pleasure working with you. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be safe.